like that one.
Hello, this is Teresa,
one
Mountaineer Farms.
In the middle of that one.
Well, I'm over here at this project that Randy's working on. It's a carport restoration. This, I believe, is day 4. And they've already took all the old tin off. They're putting the new tin in. Half of it's going to have skylights. There's a lot going on here, and they're trying to do a lot with the weather trying to act up on us. Okay, I'm going to kind of back up here if I can without stepping on something. Yeah. Well, here, I'll go ahead and go in first. They put a big slider door. It's like a big barn door. And I had an old antique handle that is from a national park handle. I don't know, I bought it, so I didn't steal it. Don't know where it came from, but it's a nice good size handle. Now what she's going to do is half of this it's all going to be gravel. They're going to bring in gravel. They're going to put, he still has to put some pressure treated up, so the gravel will go up to those pressure treated boards. But half of this is going to be where she could pull a vehicle in, you know, her car, her Jeep, you know, whatever they may have. And then this other side, she'll be able to walk in. I believe she's going to put like a workbench all the way around. And she's had these old windows. And they swing out. So he's going to frame those in, and they'll have little latches for them to stay shut. And on this side is going to be all the skylights. Yeah, skylights. So when she's down here working, she'll be able to have the skylights and a lot of light coming in, natural light coming in. And I found Bigfoot. He's hiding in this carport. Now I'm going to try to get around through here. I'm going to walk up here so you could see a little bit more of it. Before it was not even enclosed. So we did all rough cut board and batting, and the board and batting is actually what matches her house. Her house is all board and batting as well. And it's going to look really neat once it's all done. Yeah, it was an old carport. It had been standing here for forever. She didn't really want to tear it down, but she wanted a new use for it. Yeah, it's still pretty sturdy. They had to sturdy it up some, but once they got everything wrapped around it, it really sturdied the whole carport up good. Yeah, I'm going to try to walk around this way. I'm trying not to get in their way.
Tell me when you touch it.
I got it in my hand. That's it. No? Okay, they're overlapping.
Is that still running pretty good, Teresa?
Oh, I'm over here. It looks good from here, but
No, down through here.
I know. What he's asking me is, does it look like the overhang running the same way? Yeah.
Looks good.
Looks good. Yeah.
Does it look good up there like it's running the same way?
Looks good in person as well as on camera.
No, I mean up at the top, is it staying on the 2x4 up there about the same spot?
No, it's not short. It's coming away from the board. The gear was all the way flush, and now it's about half inch up.
Okay.
he was sliding down, and so we're like, nope, stay up there, don't fall.
Thank you.
I mean, and it's still really slick. When he sat down, the denim on his jeans just really made it slippery. He's trying not to sit down. He's not actually walking and standing, but yeah, it's slick. Randy, you may need to use that bigger ladder.
I can still use this one on that one. Yeah, we're getting a little bit wider. I think they stepped up the hill just a little bit.
And what he's saying is because they have to adjust how they're putting the tin up because this is such an old building that's probably off square. So they're going to have to start slowly tapering it up. In other words, each piece may go up a 1/8 or a 1/16, just enough to where it's keeping it square.
Man, what's up?
I'm coming up ladder.
Now this tin is sharp. It can really cut you if you ain't careful.
That help you?
Yep, good.
All right.
Now I'm going to come down here. I'm going to show you what he's done. Now, how far adjustment did you go?
I was doing like a 1/4 inch.
Just a 1/4 inch?
It's just for this. The structure itself ain't real
Square. So, where's your joint there?
right here. Just like a 1/4 inch. Just trying to keep it where it looks.
More square.
Yeah.
And then the next one you'll do another 1/4 probably.
Yep.
So when you hear talk about stepping up of it or stepping down, that's what he's talking about. He's stepping the tin up or he's stepping the tin down.
I mean, if you put up a roof, you should be basically square.
And I'm sure when this was put up 50 years ago, it probably was square. Because it actually, I mean, we can tell it was built very good. But over time and settling and everything else, it ain't going to stay that way.
Now I gotta get my bigger ladder.
Okay. I'm feeling a little bit of raindrops.
Yeah, I know.
And you don't want to be on tin if there's a lot of rain because it's just like a slip and slide when there's a lot of rain.
I'm just doing my best not to come back tomorrow.
Yeah, you
Just
probably
do
will
what we
have.
can do.
And I mean, in the rain we've got coming in, it's not like it's an all-day washout. It's like it may rain for 30 minutes and then be clear. So. Well, we're hoping that he's going to, that's his goal, to get done today. He tries to, you know, adjust to what we're doing, and you know, he figures for this size, usually within 5 days, he can have something, you know, have it done. But, you know, there's a lot of different elements go in it. You know, we had to wait an extra day for the tin, which wasn't expecting that. So he didn't have but maybe, you know, actually this is your 3rd day working here, I believe.
Worked on it 2.5 days and then the day.
2.5 days and today. So.
You got a hold of it?
Yep.
I'm coming up. Hang on.
And I told him, I said, I'd be more than happy to help him on my 2-step ladder, but that's as far as I go on my 2-step. I go up on my 2-step ladder, and that's it.
Still looking good at the top.
It's looking, it's still gaining. It's widening up here. It's still widening.
Probably a thinner board up there.
Okay.
But you can tell, like, look, when you're even here, it's wider over there than here.
Hand me some screws, Tracy.
Where are they? Okay. He needs some screws. Let's go over here and find some screws.
Right there on top of the cooler.
Oh, never mind. Okay.
I know it.
There you go. Yep, the rain is coming. Well, I'm going to go ahead and close on this one for now. And hopefully he'll get it done and everything will be done today. It'll be wonderful. If not, it may be a half day tomorrow. We never, you know, you just never know. There's still a lot of things that he's got to do. The trim work, the pressure treated around the base. But you also have to think about safety. You know, we don't want anyone getting hurt. We don't want to get hurt.
You want me to climb in? I can climb inside. Yep. Can you just slide and you catch me? Keep nailing. All right.
Hey, Alex, he has slid off of our top of our roof and got caught like that.
I'm fine. My feet hurt.
But he did it deliberately up there from our chimney. He's like a monkey up there. Well, remember to like, subscribe, and share. We love your comments and suggestions. If you have any questions about what we're doing and how he's getting this look or achieving this look, please ask. We try to come get back with you as soon as possible. Well, and this rain's getting a little bit worse. So maybe a time to stop for just a moment. Well, remember, get out, enjoy the day, bless someone today. And as always, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.